You can scroll all day, watch porn, chase attention, drink, smoke, escape, and for a moment, it feels good. Your brain lights up, dopamine hits, you feel alive, but then it ends. And when it does, there's this quiet feeling you can't explain. Emptiness, restlessness, like something inside you is missing. That's not weakness, that's biology. Dopamine was never meant to make you happy. It was meant to make you want more. So the more cheap pleasure you consume, the harder real life becomes to enjoy. Food tastes dull. Work feels pointless. Your motivation disappears. You're not lazy, you're overstimulated. Now, think about this. If pleasure was the answer, why do the most successful people on earth never stop working? Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson doesn't need more money. Elon Musk doesn't need more fame, yet they keep pushing every day. Under pressure, most people couldn't survive. Why? Because if they stopped, the dopamine would fade and the emptiness would return. Money doesn't protect you from that. Fame doesn't either. Only purpose does. Purpose gives your pain meaning. It turns struggle into direction, failure into growth. When you work towards something that matters, your brain releases more than dopamine. It releases stability, confidence, a deep sense of fulfillment. That's why building something feels better than consuming something. Try this. For just 3 hours, cut the distractions. No phone, no scrolling, no noise. Work on something that moves your life forward. Train, learn a skill, build, create. When you stop, you'll feel tired but peaceful. Your mind will be quieter, your overthinking will fade, and for once, you'll feel proud of yourself. That's real happiness. But purpose alone isn't enough. You need a system, a plan that turns intention into daily action. That's why you need to watch this video. It will show you how to take control of your dopamine before it takes control of you.